Imagine this. The day is filled with back-to-back meetings, a mountain of emails to reply to, a project deadline looming, and on top of all that, a personal life to maintain. It's a race against the clock, and it seems like there's never enough hours in the day to get everything done. It's a familiar story, isn't it? The good news is there's a solution, and it's called effective time management. Effective time management is not merely about working harder, but working smarter. It's about prioritizing tasks, setting goals, and making the most out of every minute of every day. It's about boosting productivity and finding balance. Where does one start? The first step is to identify and prioritize tasks. Think about what needs to be done and what tasks are most important. What tasks will have the most impact on your work or personal life? Once you have identified these tasks, prioritize them. This is where tools like the Eisenhower matrix can come in handy, helping you sort tasks into categories. Important and urgent, important but not urgent, not important but urgent, and not important and not urgent. Next, set clear and achievable goals. Without goals, it's easy to lose focus and get overwhelmed. Goals give direction and a sense of purpose. When setting goals, remember to make them SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. The third step is to plan and schedule. Now that you have your tasks and goals, it's time to plan how to achieve them. Use a planner or digital tool to schedule tasks and allocate time for each. Remember to include breaks and downtime. They are essential for maintaining productivity and avoiding burnout. Lastly, avoid multitasking. It may seem like a good idea to tackle multiple tasks at once, but studies show that multitasking can actually decrease productivity and increase stress. Instead, focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Effective time management is a journey, not a destination. It requires practice and patience. But with these steps, identifying and prioritizing tasks, setting clear and achievable goals, planning and scheduling, and avoiding multitasking, one can boost productivity and achieve a balanced life. To recap, effective time management is about working smarter, not harder. It's about setting clear and achievable goals, identifying and prioritizing tasks, planning and scheduling, and focusing on one task at a time. With these steps, one can navigate the chaos of everyday life, boost productivity, and find balance. Remember, every minute counts. Make the most of it, because in the end, time is the one resource we can't get back. Manage it wisely. Start today. Start now.